Well, I've got my new batteries in, and I thought I'd just make a quick video to show how to basically put the Velcro on the back of these batteries. We want it to be able to stick onto the Velcro that's on the actual helicopter itself. So I'm just going to show you how to do the battery side. The first thing you'll find on the back of all these batteries is a little label. I just basically peeled that label off because I found that that does come off when you put the Velcro on and you give it a tug. Next thing to do is to give it a bit of a clean with some alcohol. Get rid of that gum that's sitting on the back of the label. This is just the stuff that you buy from Hobby King, nothing fancy about it. It's rather strong actually, so I'm just going to cut that so that it's a bit longer than the actual battery. And these are wide enough to make two, so I'll just fold it in exact half. And just cut along the line. What I use is this Selleys gel grip. This is just the stuff that you use to repair boots, things like that. It's just that yellow sort of glue that's elastic. So it's just that type of glue. And you can tell as soon as you smell it, it smells like you're in a shoe store. Where they do repairs. So that's what you need, just a tube of that. Okay, what I use is some 180 grit paper just to rough the surface up. Don't need to do a lot, but just take that shine off it. A bit of alcohol over it again would be a good thing. So now we just apply the gel grip. You'll feel it starting to get a bit tacky. Once you feel it getting a bit tacky, that's when you just about have to stop. Okay, you need to do the same to the Velcro itself. This one's a bit more trickier because you haven't got a hard surface to play with. Okay, now we've got to let that dry for a little bit till it becomes rather sticky and tacky, and then we've got to press them together. It should take around 3-4 minutes to become tacky and almost dry. As you can see there, it's almost dried up. We'll be applying that together in a moment. And it's pretty much ready to put on. So you just stretch it out and apply it on there. Now work your way from the center. As you can see, the darker spots there, that's basically it bonding to the other surface. Just got to work with it, work your way out. Okay. Just giving it a bit of a wiggle. And now we'll let that sit there for a while with a bit of weight on it. So I've got a couple of more batteries here that I'm going to place on top. And we can come back in about an hour's time and trim all that up. Okay, so now with a sharp pair of scissors, I basically go along and just trim along the edge. And then this excess stuff here will just peel off like that. Just use your thumb. As you can see there where the sandpaper just touched, I can't actually clean that off there, but anywhere where the sandpaper hasn't touched was easier to clean off. You just basically pull on it like that and it would peel off. So now we've got a flexible surface for it, and so if the battery puffs up a bit, it doesn't come unstuck, and unlike your double-sided tape, it won't go all soft when the battery heats up. Just to show you how well this stuff actually grips, I'll show you how I can lift the whole helicopter just by placing this on here and holding it by the battery. Let's fix it on, and there it is. Can lift the whole heli with that hook and loop. So it's pretty strong stuff, the stuff that you get from Hobby King.